Hey there folks, if you're approaching retirement or already there, this video is for you. Today I'm going to break down how to plan your retirement lifestyle so you can enjoy those golden years stress-free. First, let's talk about finances. Now, I know this might sound daunting, but it's simpler than you think. A good rule of thumb is to aim for about 70 to 80% of your pre-retirement income. So, if you were making $50,000 a year before retiring, aim to have around $35,000 to $40,000 per year in retirement. How do you get there? Savings and investments. If you haven't started yet, don't panic, it's never too late. Look into 401k plans or IRAs. These are tax-advantaged retirement accounts that can help your money grow over time. If you've already been contributing, great job. Keep an eye on your portfolio and make adjustments as needed. Next, let's talk about lifestyle. Retirement is the perfect time to explore new hobbies or revisit old ones. Always wanted to paint? Give it a shot. Love gardening? Start that garden you've always dreamed of. Staying active and engaged is key to a happy retirement. Travel can be a big part of retirement for many people. Whether it's a cross-country road trip or exploring new countries, planning is crucial. Look for senior discounts on flights, accommodations, and even local attractions. You'd be surprised at how much you can save. Another important aspect is staying social. Join local clubs or groups that interest you. It could be anything from a book club to a hiking group. Social interaction is vital for mental health and keeps you feeling connected. Healthcare is one area you don't want to overlook. Ensure you have a solid healthcare plan in place. Medicare is a start, but consider supplemental insurance to cover what Medicare doesn't. Regular checkups and staying on top of your health can prevent bigger issues down the line. Let's not forget about giving back. Volunteering is a fantastic way to spend your time. It keeps you active, provides a sense of purpose, and helps your community. Whether it's mentoring younger generations or helping out at a local shelter, the options are endless. Finally, revisit your retirement plan regularly. Life changes, and so will your needs and goals. Make adjustments as necessary to ensure you're always on track. So, to sum it up, focus on your finances, stay active, keep social, travel smart, and give back. With a little planning, your retirement can be everything you've dreamed of. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Finance with AI for more tips and tricks on managing your money. Here's to a happy and fulfilling retirement. Take care.